The thing that I love most about the vineyard is its location close to the ocean. The vineyards are sloping and beautifully terraced vineyards. We have 2 different blocks and we make one blend. It's not always the same from year to year. Sometimes it's more Calera than 777 or vice versa. The blend together is savory. It's not fruit driven like some wines from the warmer regions. It has tons of natural acidity because of where we're located here on the coast. So we work closely with Lester and Linda Schwartz on crop thinning, leaf pulling, irrigation, whatever practices are happening in the vineyard, because we're all on the same team and we want the best quality that we can get.
Well, Linda and I have been married for 52 years. Those have been a very happy 52 years, and I must say that this vineyard has contributed enormously to that happiness. We planted this vineyard in the beginning almost exclusively ourselves with shovels. I became very adept at a backhoe when we put trenching in for the drainage. But my favorite memories are really those early days where we would get up in the wee hours of the morning, work all day and just fall into bed at night, pretty much exhausted from what we were doing. We feel very proud of what we've managed to accomplish, although very often when I look back at what we've done here, I become quite exhausted. And I realized that it took a much younger man and a much younger woman to actually plant this vineyard and do what we did in the early days. My name is Lester Schwartz, and my wife Linda and I are wine growers.